name is William Paul BILYEA. I am the owner of Cardinal Fine Cabinetry. We do custom work in terms of residential as well as builder lines. And we really pride ourselves on doing something that is a bit unique to another. We all have camaraderie, or at least a base of discovery when it comes to unique ideas, new ideas, as well as collaborative concepts. So really, we all are one. We all operate under one roof. We all operate under one banner. And we have just a really breadth of success, because that really accumulates, all of that talent accumulates about 75 to 80 years of personal experience within the industry. So, designers, we have contractors, and we have people who return back to us because of what we do. And I think we really set ourselves apart by allowing people to come through the door and be a little bit more, feel a little bit more creative, and allow the creative process to engage their experience here. They love seeing that freshness, they love seeing that uniqueness, they love having an opportunity to be able to pick something somewhere. And what about your furniture? What about a rolling pin? What about a stool for your island? How about wallpaper? Comes in to allow them to be able to see the bigger picture. Ideally, what we want to do is turn around our waste and have zero waste. We also do a lot of urban salvage, so local urban salvage. So people who have trees or just various either fallen or they're about to be removed from the premises, and they have a significant meaning to them. It gives us opportunity to be able to tell a story, especially from the pieces that we make. Turn around and give back to the client some of those pieces. They can say that it draws upon something that's just hits home with them and makes them feel a little bit more engaged.
Why was Cabinet Vision the right solution for your business model?
It was the only solution. And that was really because I didn't see anything else that really fit where we were going. It allows us to be able to take just a catalog that we have currently right now that we use, and stretch and manipulate our processes to be able to come up with anything that we can put on a CNC machine. That helps us with the control of waste product again, but as well as accuracy. And so when we utilize Cabinet Vision, it allows us to manipulate the design process at the beginning so that we can have cabinetry that we can push through sort of a production line, and really helps a lot with doing the custom end of things, because we can eliminate a lot of processes that happen to have to be done on a panel saw or on a workbench. It's certainly a level of accuracy, and allows us to be able to keep cabinets in a catalog within the program that we can draw from. But we found that Cabinet Vision just clicks. It just to have a catalog, what we're really talking about is to have a standardized parts, and that we can pull from, and that we can basically be able to stretch and manipulate those standard parts, so that we can have the level of accuracy for those that just want to do basic, and then again, those people that want to be able to go beyond that. The training process was really good. Certainly are really happy with the way in which it has been presented to us, integrated in through us. I would have to admit that even though we think that we can tackle a lot of these things ourselves, the use of having somebody who's had some catalog experience as well as pricing experience and everything has been great. They can't get it fast enough. They can't get the product of Cabinet Vision quick enough in their hands. It's a process in which everybody is very excited about because of the ability to this flexibility. That's the biggest thing for them and for us, is to be able to manipulate the cabinets and getting the answers that we need. I really like the fact that Cabinet Vision can make that change on the fly. We can engineer it here first before we go up there and build it, and that's really exciting for us. By breaking it down and knowing what our costs are and how we can do it better, faster, then that just means that we have a higher gross profit. Take it further. I'm not trying to test the waters, but we're certainly going to take it a lot further than where we are currently right now. And that is just really for our own selves. We are artists and designers, and we are here because we want to make a difference. We want to make a change. We want to do some things that are so bold and beyond the normal. And ultimately, we love what we do. And so when you love what you do, you're at it all the time because it doesn't look like it, doesn't feel like work. And when it's not work, you enjoy what it is. But the biggest thing is for anybody that is a workaholic, that is passionate about what they do, is to have some tools at hand that frees you up and expands the mind. And if you can get those things to work, then they certainly help the breadth of experience and knowledge that you can challenge it. And I love the fact that we can challenge Cabinet Vision and we can bend it. Let's just put it that way. It has been it's been a wonderful experience. It has been a great experience to be able to belong to an organization that has it together. So it's never been met with, well, I don't know that answer, let me find out. It's been always, yeah, we have a solution. And let me give you some more information on that for you.